Hello student, in the topic electrophilic addition to carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond, we studied different reactions of alkenes. Then reaction number 4, addition of hypohalous acid. Hypohalous acid general formula HOX. Then in the addition of hypohalous acid, product is the halohydrin. Then addition of Cl2 Br2 to alkene is carried out in presence of water. It is as if the addition of hypohalous acid HOX molecule across the double bond. The addition product form contain OH group and halogen atom on adjacent carbon atoms. Hence it is called as halohydrin. We see the general reaction. Alkene C double bond C react with hypohalous acid. Then OH group attached to one carbon atom and halogen atom attached to second carbon atom, formation of a halohydrin. Then for example, ethene CH2 double bond CH2 react with hypohalous acid hypochlorous acid HOCl. Then OH group attached to carbon atom number 2 and Cl group attached to carbon atom number 1. Then formation of CH2OH CH2Cl. Name of this compound is the ethylene chlorohydrin. Ethylene chlorohydrin. This is the addition of hypochlorous acid to ethene. Then second example of hypobromo acid react with 1 propene. Here 1 propene CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HOBr. Formation of here OH attached to carbon atom number 2 and Br attached to carbon atom number 1. Formation of CH3 CHOH CH2 Br. Name of this compound is the propylene bromohydrin. Means ethene react with hypochlorous acid, formation of ethylene chlorohydrin, and propene react with hypobromous acid, formation of propylene bromohydrin. These are the two reactions of hypohalous acid. Then we study here mechanism of these reactions. There are 3-step mechanism. Step first, formation of, here I am showing here, formation of halogenated alkyl carbocation. Initially halogen adds to alkene to form halogenated alkyl carbocation. I am showing here propene plus Cl2, formation of CH3 CH positive charge CH2Cl. Name of this compound is the halogenated or chlorinated alkyl compound. That is first step is the formation of halogenated alkyl carbocation. This is the first step of the mechanism. Then step second, the carbocation formation is step first. The carbocation then reacts with water which is present in excess and is equally reactive as compound to Cl minus. Therefore I am showing here halogenated carbocation plus water molecule H2O, formation of intermediate. Here CH3 CH water molecule O positive charge CH2Cl. This is the formation of intermediate. Means halogenated alkyl carbocation react with water to formation of a intermediate product. Then step third, in the intermediate product, loss of proton to forms chlorohydrin. Here CH3 CH O positive charge CH2 CH2Cl minus H plus, formation of CH3 CHOH CH2Cl. This is the propylene chlorohydrin. This is the mechanism of hypohalous acid. This is the reaction number 4. Then further we see reaction number 5th, hydroxylation. Here hydroxylation means formation of 1,2 diols. Formation of 1,2 diols. Here compounds containing double bond, that is alkene C double bond C alkene, on treatment with cold aqueous solution of potassium permanganate, add two hydroxy groups across the double bond to form 1,2-dihydroxy compound known as glycols or 1,2-dihydroxy alkanes. Therefore, I am showing here general reaction C double bond C alkene plus water plus oxygen. KMnO4 is oxidizing agent. Here we use cold aqueous KMnO4. Formation of one OH atom attached to one carbon atom and another OH atom attached to another carbon atom. Formation of glycol or 1,2-alkane. Then I am taking here example ethene. Ethene react with cold aqueous KMnO4. Here CH2 double bond CH2 H2O O cold aqueous KMnO4 formation of CH2OH CH2OH. Here name of this compound is the ethylene glycol or carbon atom number 1 one hydroxy group, carbon atom number 2 another hydroxy group. Therefore another name of ethylene glycol is the 1,2-dihydroxy ethane. This is the hydroxylation product of ethene. Then I am taken further example 1-propylene. 1-propene plus H2O plus O cold in presence of cold aqueous KMnO4 formation of CH3 CHOH CH2OH. Name of this compound propylene glycol or another name of this compound is the 1,2-dihydroxy propane. Means ethene undergoes hydroxylation in presence of cold aqueous KMnO4 formation of ethylene glycol or 1,2-dihydroxy ethane. Then propene in presence of cold aqueous KMnO4 formation of propylene glycol or 1,2-dihydroxy propane. Here in quantitative test for testing unsaturation, that is organic spotting reaction, practically we double bond containing compound when react with aqueous KMnO4. Here pink color of KMnO4 is the disappearing pink color is the presence of unsaturation in the compound. Therefore this reaction is used in qualitative test for testing unsaturation of the compound. Then second, here OSO4 name of this reagent is the osmium tetraoxide. Osmium tetraoxide is another reagent for hydroxylation. Similar to the KMnO4, here I am showing ethene molecule CH2 double bond CH2 plus osmium tetroxide in ether solution or ethereal solution of osmium tetroxide to form cyclic intermediate. Here I am showing osmium tetroxide in ethereal solution CH2 OSO4 CH2O. Here CH2O OS double bond O OS double bond O. This is the cyclic osmic ester is the intermediate product. Then this cyclic osmic ester intermediate undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means addition of a water molecule for formation of CH2OH CH2OH. Here OS-O bond is break. Therefore 2 water molecule required for this hydroxylation and attachment of 2 OH group to the 2 CH2 group. Therefore formation of CH2OH CH2OH. This is the ethylene glycol. Means when we use cold aqueous KMnO4 formation of ethylene glycol, or when we use osmium tetroxide in ether solution formation of a ethylene glycol. This is the hydroxylation reaction of alkene. Thank you for listening.